Today I'm doing some maintenance on this Ram 1500. This is a 2017, fourth generation. So this should work on models from 2011 up to 2017. And then in 2018, I believe they changed, but always check your numbers, make sure. Bighorn edition. I'm gonna go over how to change the cabin air filter in this guy. It's in here in the glove box. So we open the glove box. Make sure you take everything out because this is going to come off completely. We have our little regulator here. It's like a little lanyard for your glove box. This is what creates the soft open. So we got to take that off. And this, you can see there's a little peg there. It just slips back. I'm holding it with my thumb and then pops out. So that guy pops out. Then we have a hook on this side and a hook on this side, and that comes off. Then our air filter is right there. So next up, there are two tabs. There's one all the way back in this corner, which you have to release. So I'll show you what that tab looks like once I get it out. And then there's this tab here. So you press it down and then this comes out. So yeah, pressing down on that. And then this one's blind. So you have to reach in and depress this tab, which makes that swing up and out. There it is. Then this is our filter. This guy comes out. Now, generally, what I found, we need a new one there. Airflow is down, and that's an indicator that the dirt on this side means the air is getting pulled through this way. So when you put it in, the orientation, it's confusing sometimes because sometimes they say airflow down and sometimes they say this side up. So know that the airflow is down. So if there's arrows and it says airflow, then put it down. Now I'm just gonna show you how I gotta go buy a new filter. I'll put a link in the description for that guy, but this guy goes in here. And all my links do, I'm gonna go knock this out. This right here is why you change your air filters. Just tons of dust. So I'm just gonna demonstrate how to push this back in. It'll fit into place like so. And this is one of those filters that's confusing because the arrows point up. And I've had multiple people get confused because is that airflow or is that direction of the filter? Most filters say airflow and it points down and that's what you want. But then you get something like this and you're like, is this up or down? Is it the right way? If you get it wrong, this isn't gonna hurt anything. Just make sure the filter fits in the slot correctly and do your best. It's funny because even the cap says airflow down. So just look for that. And if it's a confusing marking, then do your best. So after you finagle, push this guy on. You should feel a clip, give it a tug, and that's back on. Now we're gonna get our glove box back. Now the trick of this is getting this little regulator out and putting it into place. So this goes, make sure it lines up. All of our little hooks here on the end line up with their spot. It kind of hooks into place there. Then we have to push this peg in, kind of hold it, push this peg in, and then hook the little regulator into place. Cool, and we got it. So we got our regulator, it'll soft open, and we're hooked into place. Give it a little tug, make sure it's not gonna come out, and we're all set. If this was helpful, give it a thumbs up. We'll catch you next time.